We're going to take you to Whitby now, where the province is making a mental health announcement. Let's listen in.
I want to say thank you. I also want to acknowledge our colleague Patrice Barnes for joining us today. You know, Patrice, as a new MPP, has been such a strong advocate for the Durham region, so thank you, Patrice. The people of Durham region are in great hands with my colleagues Lauren and Patrice at Queen's Park. Today, mental health is at the forefront of many conversations. And one of the most important things we can do today is taking the time to listen to the stories of people living with mental illness and learning how we can support them in a more meaningful way. We also know that our children and youth face challenges that are unique to their generation, especially given the past 2 years. We owe it to them to ensure they can continue to connect to care closer to home. That is why we are implementing innovative programs and services that are easy to access, including by phone or online. Today, I am pleased to announce that our government is investing an additional $4.75 million to expand the One Stop Talk virtual walk-in counseling program. This investment will provide more children, youth, and their families timely and convenient access to mental health counseling no matter where they live. One Stop Talk was launched with 6 organizations just last November, and it has already served nearly 1,000 patients. That is tremendous reach for only 3 months of operation. And that is why we want to expand this service to reach even more children and youth across Ontario. Because our government believes in the importance of being able to connect to care closer to home. This convenient service will help youth connect to care in both English and French through telephone, video conferences, texts, and chat options without an appointment. Our government has a plan to build a stronger, more convenient and connected healthcare system by investing in our hospitals and healthcare facilities across Ontario, by investing in the mental health services that Ontarians of all ages need, so that patients can connect to the high-quality care they expect whenever and wherever they need it. Because we know the status quo is not enough. We need to be bold. We need to be creative. We need to be innovative. Ontarians are counting on us to improve health care for generations to come. These bold solutions will still mean you continue to access health care with your OHIP card, not your credit card. Under Premier Ford, that will never change. We will continue to work with our partners to make it easier, faster, and more convenient for you to connect to care, because your health matters. Thank you again for being with us today. Stay well, and it is now my pleasure to turn it over to Associate Minister Michael Tibolo, who will say a few words and is so critically important in
We've been listening to Sylvia Jones in Whitby making an announcement about mental health.